Hi K4 Coding family, welcome back. Today we are going to learn distinct keyword, order by keyword, where clause, and what are the operators we are going which are used in SQL to filter out the data. So first we talk about distinct keyword. So this keyword basically used for filter out the distinct or unique records from a result set where duplicate values are available. If I say duplicate values are available, so suppose we have a table structure where we have a field name called as a name, okay, and where we can maintain or multiple people can have the same name. Okay, so in that case, we can find out that distinct name inside the table. So I'll show you the example for that. So earlier video we have created a table so we can find out the that available tables inside the SQL server using the sp underscore tables command. So it will show the user driven and system driven both tables. Okay, so we will capture or we are going to use this K4 coding EMP table. And when we run this command, we can see there are no data, and we can check our other table where we have created. Okay, so both table not having any data, what I am doing, we can take the minimum column table. Okay, now I'm inserting some dummy values. So how to insert values in table, you can watch my that insert statement video. So for inserting data into table, we just simply select, or we just simply that write down the command insert into, and then my table name, then my column name. If you want to apply specific data into specific columns, amp name, comma dpt, comma salary. Okay. So this syntax is incomplete. Why I'm saying is incomplete? Because we have written the syntax to insert into, but we haven't supplied the values. So passing the values, empid1, name John, department HR, and salary is 2000 USD. Okay, just keep in mind whatever the values we are passing, we need to very specific with the data types. If it's a varchar data type, we need to pass the values in single quote. If it's a numeric value, then in that case we have to pass the numeric value. To verify that, we can press Control plus F1, then you will see this data types. Okay, so my EMP ID is numeric, I have passed as 1. Employee name as a varchar, I have passed as John. Department as a HR, I have passed as a varchar, I have passed as a HR. And salary is a money. Money should be numeric decimal. Okay, when I say execute this command, so my one row is inserted. Okay, so let me insert multiple items. Three. I'm just changing the department. Sales. Also changing the IDs. So ID must be unique. So in next video, I'll let you know that how to create unique ID column. So there we need not to pass any value. Automatically, it's taking that incremental value. When we say execute, it's inserted the value. When we view the data, so now we have inserted duplicate values in department. Okay, and we have inserted duplicate values in salary as well, and we are going to insert duplicate value in six name as well. Okay, now we can view the data. So if we execute the command to view only the employee name, select MP name from MP. Oh, sorry, incorrect. We hit execute. As you can see, we are getting two names. Okay. When I say distinct, so in this case, only one name as a Z it will display. Once you click on execute, so right now we are able to view 2Z as a employee name, but with the distinct keyword, it's only going to display the unique rows. Parallelly, we can apply distinct based on the combination of the fields. So if you can see, if I say combination of fields, so as you can view the duplicate data in department and salary as well. If I want to that view the distinct value of department and salary within the combination, I can then I can pass department and salary with the distinct keyword, and as you can see that HR having multiple time and with the same salary, then IT, then sales, and IT twice with the same salary. So it will display me one HR row with 2000 salary, one IT row with 2000 salary, and one sales row with the 2000 salary. Because I have given the condition where it can display me a distinct value of a department and salary fields. So now the output is saying that we have HR department, RTD department, and sales department. So this is the basic use of distinct value. Now we are moving to our second topic, which is order by keyword. So basically, order by keyword is used to sort the data within the table structure, and it will sort as a ascending and descending order based on the column defined or columns defined in the order by clause. So we can see the that basic example of that. So we have an employee name field. If I put order by order by AMP name. Okay, before writing the query, I'll guide you that what is the syntax. So this is same as select statement and so on from table order by field name ascending or descending. Okay, so these are the fields name. You can directly pass as a star. It will capture all the fields. And the order by keyword used to apply the order that sorting into the table. And post that you have to pass field name, which field you are going to order, and the method ascending or descending order. So by default, when you run the order by command, it's in ascending order. If I run this query, so first D will come, then J will come, and then Z will come. If you see the output, it's order by in ascending order, alphabetical order, like A, B, C, and D. If I say or mention descending, DESC notation for descending order. Now you can see it ordered by or it's sorted in descending manner. So if this is one field syntax where you can sort it out one field based on field combination, you can also sort this table. So if I'm passing department and ascending order, first it will short emp name, then it will short department. You can see first employee name, then it shorts the department. Now we are moving to where clause. So where clause used to filter the data from the data table, or you can say the SQL table. So what is the syntax for where clause? Same as a select statement, but for filtering the data, we need to mention that where clause and the field name and the value. Okay. Now we have this sample table. If I want to filter out only HR department data where that all the information, all the employee information, we just simply pass where clause, my field name, department equal to HR. What will happen in this case when the data is filtered, it will display only HR department data records. You can view the output, only HR department records coming. If I pass as a IT, it will display only IT records. This is the basic syntax of where clause. Now we are moving to operators. So when we say operators, so operators can be greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equal, equal, n. These are the operators we can use with the where clause. If I say in operator, we have used equal to operator as well in this syntax. If we say in operator, simply replace the existing operator, put bracket. I want to in operator is used to that input the multiple parameter within the condition to filter out the data. So now I want to view two department records. One is HR and second one is IT. So when you pass this two syntax in our where clause, it will display both data department or both data records, and if you want to enter another value, you can pass sales. So now it's displaying all the department data. Moving to our other operator. So now it's greater than equal to, where greater than equal to we can apply only on numeric field. So we are applying on salary greater than equal to 2000. When we run this command, it will display me all the information And when I run less than equal to 2000, because we don't have any less salary than 2000, but we have equal to statement as well to 2000, so it will display all the record. Now moving to our less than operator. So we don't have less than 2000 transaction or record for the salary. Now in this case it will not display any transaction or record when we execute the command, similar to greater than, because we only have 2000 USD as a salary in our table. That's it for today. If you like the video, keep like and subscribe.